Turns left.
Motherfucker! Really? Jesus. It was a really nice spot. Oh, and we have a reflection here. Okay, we are live now. Yo, yo, yo. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back after a while.
Almost catch.
That's a good shot.
No.
It's kind of panning technique.
Yes, but unfocused.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, unfocused.
Okay. So we are back after a month or so, and today supposedly we are not in Warsaw, we are in Katowice. Oh, let's take a symmetry here with those lines. We are now here in some kind of park or whatever it's called, and I'm aiming for a symmetry here with these poles. So let's try to take it. Yeah, let's go a few steps. Wait, take one more attempt. Yeah, maybe. Okay. I like these lights, you know, like the one over here, and yeah, looks kind of interesting. And we have a green one, and they are changing colors.
Mixed one.
Yeah, but they are changing colors. Look.
Ah, blue one.
It's nice. Okay, we have a tram there, and look, and we have the truck here. Yeah. So that might be a cool spot for a tram. Look.
So.
Yeah.
So yes. Turns left.
Motherfucker. Really? Jesus. It was a really nice spot. Oh, and we have a reflection here. Let's try that. I'm not sure what I'm doing, but yeah, maybe. Not sure what I'm doing. Let's try another reflection. No, it's not what I wanted. So this is really cool. Oh, that's too. Okay. So, what? Sad? It's like looks like cauliflower. It's like, you know, this
Cabbage.
No, the one you can eat. So, do you know where we should go? I mean,
I need to look at the map.
Yeah, let's check the map.
Okay, we are somewhere here.
Okay.
And our hotel is over here.
Okay, we have a tram, another tram, but this one is kind of newer than the one before. Look at this tram.
tram crossroads.
And this is crazy. Haha, yeah. God.
Ah.
Yeah,
People.
I thought it's gonna look better, but that wall, lighting wall with the eye on it looks nice, and the moon.
Ah, the moon.
The moon one. Another tram, and the next one. What's going on? Another one. We have 4 trams
Going on here.
It's a TRAMS crossroads. But maybe we can, you know. Where is he going? Where is he going? I mean, fuck. Look, the one came from that direction.
What's going on here?
I don't know. Let's try to take that position we wanted, you know.
What?
Let's try to take the position we wanted before. The one. Because I think that the one there is gonna turn. Yeah. No! No! He went forward. I mean, you know. Oh my god. Is there any tram that's going forward? But it's like the biggest tram spot ever, right? You know what I'm saying?
Probably. I'm not sure what happened here.
Okay guys, lens switched to 70 to 200 because of the really nice and beautiful streets, all 4 sides. I mean, yeah. Let's check it. It's like 200. No, this is crop mode. Yeah, but you know, it's like the distance. Look. That's the battery smooth. Yeah, that's a cool bokeh over there. And the biker, hey, he's going fast. Catching a biker that's going so fast is like a really nice challenge.
Yes.
Look here. Nice, right?
Nice. Come on. Ah, damn.
It's like Uber Pro lens, and we have a tram, right? Okay, let's take this one. Yeah. What? This is crop mode and 200. Okay, so this is the max range. To the hotel?
Yes.
Okay. But are we going straight to the hotel right now? No! Motherfucker! Okay. I like this crossroads. Really, you know, it's like a one place with all the action that's going on in the city. Okay, one more is coming. Maybe let's try this one. And another one. Hey bro, it's gonna be a double tram situation. Nice, like those trams. Very, very nice. cool city, must say.